OCR can flatten the tables and charts that answer the question. ColPali indexes PDF pages as images and retrieves the right visual evidence with late interaction. You'll see how to connect the pieces into a workflow that searches visual pages and returns chart and table matches worth using. I'm Professor Pi, teaching AI engineering and LLM systems with simple Python. Most document search systems turn PDFs into text and then search that text. That works fine for paragraphs, but it falls apart when the answer lives in a chart, a table, or a weird layout. ColPali Multimodal PDF RAG flips the usual flow. Treat each PDF page as an image, embed those visuals, and run retrieval that understands layout and graphics. Folks pick this approach when they need an answer that cites the exact figure or table, or when OCR reorders things and loses meaning. The core idea is straightforward. Instead of guessing text order, we let the model look at pixels. Pages become image embeddings. Queries become vectors compared against those images. Late interaction lets the model match pieces of the query to parts of the page, so a chart label and the chart itself both help the score. That preserves layout and visuals at the cost of larger embeddings and a bit more compute than plain text search. We'll build a tiny pipeline, render 2 toy PDF pages, embed them visually, run a layout-aware retrieval, and compress page vectors for a light RAG handoff. This isn't production code. It's a clear path you can scale later. Quick note: this code is designed to teach the core idea clearly. Library versions and local setups can vary, so check the official docs if your setup behaves differently. First, we need to render the PDF pages as images so the retriever sees layout and graphics. This snippet renders 2 toy PDF pages into images with PyPDF-EM2. OCR first pipelines start by guessing text order, but ColPali style retrieval starts from the page pixels. So the first artifact we need is an image per page. The small PDF is created in memory from 2 simple pill pages. One looks like a table block, and the other looks like an orange chart block. PyPDF-EM2 PDF document opens the PDF, and each page uses render scale equals 2 dot to peel to produce RGB page images. The visible output confirms how many rendered pages are ready and the pixel size that downstream embedding will see. Now that we have images, we need a retriever that understands images and late interaction. This example loads the visual retriever that will replace OCR text chunks. colpali-engine provides colquen2 and colquen2 processor as a supported ColPali style retrieval pair. So the model creates multi-vector embeddings, and the processor prepares both images and queries in the expected format. The code chooses CUDA when available, but still stays runnable on CPU for a compact baseline. Calling eval matters, because retrieval should be deterministic inference, not training behavior. The visible output shows the loaded model class, which confirms that the pipeline is using the ColPali engine retriever rather than a text-only embedder. With the model ready, we embed the page images directly so layout stays intact. This code embeds the rendered pages directly without extracting text first. The important shift is that pages are not split into paragraphs or table cells before retrieval. So chart position, labels, and layout remain part of what the model sees. Processor.process images pages builds the model inputs, and model temp batch images returns image embeddings for every page. Page IDs keeps a simple stable identifier beside the tensor, which is enough for a tiny local index. The visible output shows that both pages now have embeddings, and that the result is a multi-vector tensor, which is the basis for late interaction search. Next, we ask a layout-aware question and let late interaction pick the right page. This snippet asks a layout-aware question and ranks pages with colpali-engine-late interaction. A text-only system might miss this if the chart label and the graphic are separated, or if the chart is mostly visual. Processor.processQueries queries prepares the natural language question. Model s.batchQueries creates query embeddings. And processor.score multivector compares query vectors against every page's visual vectors. argmax selects the strongest page-level match, while bestscore gives a quick debugging signal. The visible output shows the selected page and its score, which is the retrieval decision the RAG system will trust next. Multi-vector embeddings work, but they can be heavy. We add a compacting step before handing the page to a reader. This example turns retrieval into a small RAG handoff while adding one production-minded compression step. Multi-vector page embeddings are powerful, but they can be larger than single-vector indexes. So, HierarchicalTokenPooler reduces the page vectors before scoring again. Pool factor equal to is the main knob here. Increasing it usually lowers storage and scoring work, while decreasing it keeps more visual detail. The re-ranked RAG IDX selects the page image that a downstream vision language answerer would receive with the original question. The visible output shows the final page image chosen for RAG and confirms it is still an RGB visual input. In a real project, you would swap the toy PDF for your document set, persist the pooled vectors in FAISS or a vector DB, and pass the chosen page image to a vision language model for exact answer generation and citation. What this is, a pipeline that treats PDF pages as images and uses late interaction to retrieve layout-sensitive evidence. When to use it? When answers live in charts, tables, or complex layouts that OCR alone mangles. One caveat: multi-vector visuals cost more storage and compute than plain text, so compressing or pruning is important. If you want a concrete next step, try changing pool factor from 2 to 4 and measure how retrieval recall and index size move on your document set. That single knob often yields the best trade-off for production. If practical AI engineering helps, subscribe and watch the AI engineering videos.